it's Reggie here. I just thought I would do a quick update on what I've been doing over the last few days on the layout. I've been upgrading the lighting on the platform and the station canopy and the station. I did have some lights on the platform previously. I had these lights which were okay, but they're not LED and they were looking a bit tired, so I decided to change them. So the single lights are from Kite's Lights, and they are LED 3 volt I think, and you have to put a resistor in if you're going to run off 12 volts, which I do. And then the centre double lights are from Layouts for You, and they're the same fit a resistor that comes with them. I've also fitted LEDs to the central station canopy. What I've done here is I've fitted the LED strips that you get on coach lighting, like these here, and I've put each station module has 3 LEDs either side. I'll just lift that up there so you can see that, and then the wires go through the building, through the platform and to the lighting bus, and they're quite well concealed. So if I go down here, you can't see them at all. These are in warm white, not cool white, which I think gives quite a nice effect. And the station also has some LEDs in as well, fitted those. I've not done all the platform lights yet. I've still got to get some more. Well, I have got some more now to do, so I'll be fitting some more down here, and there'll be some double ones to replace those there, and then I'll probably carry on fitting some lampposts to the car park area and around the station as well. I've also got some wall lights, LEDs again, to fit onto the station, and I have also been fitting coach lighting, and I've used the battery operated warm white with the reed switch. These are from Layouts for You as well. So they're very easy to fit. You don't have to fit any wiring to the bogies or pickups to the bogies. You just get a magnet, run it along, and the lights go on, and then back again and the lights go off. I've done 2 coaches so far. I've got another 3 to do. Also got a floodlight, not sure where I'm going to fit that, but I will fit that somewhere, maybe on the depot. And then this welding unit, which will be for the depot as well. I'll switch it on. There you go. That's from Kite's Lights, and that's battery operated with its own switch. I'll just show you how I install my lighting. So I've got a 12 volt, 11.5 volt supply there, coming from the mains, and then I fit a bus wire just for lighting, and I also fit self-adhesive copper tape to the underside of the baseboard. So the feed is from the bus through a switch, and then I can feed off the bus then is connected to the copper wire, and I can feed any lights individually or either through chop blocks onto that bus wire. Another connection I've been using is this, which I got off eBay. So you put the feed in. It can take 2 feeds, so either this side or this side, and then you just connect up all your lighting or whatever it is, AB, AB, or CD, CD, and that allows you to run multiple lights off one power feed. So that's quite a neat little unit. I got that off eBay, not sure where. So what I'll do to show you the effect, I'll switch the lights off, run a few trains and just show you how it looks and see what you think. Thanks a lot.